Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Devi and I make a lot of videos about eggless baking, cakes and a lot of other things. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new here, and if you're interested, don't forget to also follow us on Instagram because we make a lot of different content over there as well. Also, this video is all about Pull Me Up cake, which went really viral last year. I think, if I'm not wrong, in Mumbai we started making it. We were like first of the few people, I think, who started making it in Mumbai. This was last year during Raksha Bandhan, and we started giving it out for orders, and it comes out so beautifully and it's really delicious as well. Also, this was one of the concept ideas which really made our channel boom up like that, because we had made a doll Pull Me Up cake as well last year, and it also went really viral. So thank you so much. If you are from that video, if you subscribe to us from that video, let me know in the comments below. Also, now let's start with the video and see how we make it.
So here's 250 grams of premix powder. We are using Pristine and we are going to sieve that. After that, I'm going to add 125 ml of water and 25 ml of oil. It's a normal vegetable oil which doesn't have any odor or flavor.
So guys, we are going to add some chocolate ganache to this, which I have made using Morte compound and Amul cream, and that will become like a chocolate mousse consistency, and that's what we're going to use in between our layers. And we are also using some cream which is left over from the Lotus Biscoff cake that I've made for an order, and there's some more white cream that I've added because I wanted to make little more cream for the layers. So I'm going to add some Lotus Biscoff to this. I have some melted Biscoff here. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of that. Take the spatula and mix it. So our Biscoff cream is ready to go in between the layers. We're going to make chocolate mousse out of this, so we're just going to go ahead and add some ganache. Depends on how much you like adding in it, how much chocolate you like. So depends on that. You can add as less or as more as you want. Remember, using cream in between the layers for oozy or Pull Me Up cake, whatever you want to call it, is very important, because that's very easy for you to pull it upward. Like whenever you're pulling the plastic upwards, it's very easy and it doesn't get stuck to your cake. If you use ganache, it will definitely stick to your plastic. You will not be able to easily pull off the plastic. Okay, so our mousse is ready. Now we're going to start assembling the cake. So now we have our chocolate cake stuck to the board with using ganache. Remember, this is a very important step, because if your ganache is not there, the cake will, like while you're pulling up the plastic again, it's all about pulling up the plastic well, and the icing oozes out accordingly. So you have to remember this, that it's very important. You have to put ganache at the bottom, otherwise the whole cake comes up with the plastic. So that is a very, very important step in a Pull Me Up cake. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to soak this layer, or all the actually cake layers, with coffee syrup. So it is again just water and instant coffee. Remember always to soak your edges nicely also, because your edges are pretty hard, like they bake first, right? Whenever you're baking, the edges bake first. So you have to soak them in well. Once that's done, you add a layer of icing. So this is what I was speaking about. Now you can see the edges are covered with whipped cream. So when you put a plastic around the cake, if you were using ganache, then the plastic will be stuck to your cake, and it becomes difficult for the client or for you. If you're eating it for yourself, then it becomes difficult for the plastic to come out. Even though it is a chocolate cake, I'm going to still go ahead and add some Lotus Biscoff biscuits, because we're mixing the two flavors. Now this is a cake layer which I had left over from my order. So this recipe again you can check on our channel. We have 2 vanilla cake recipes. You can use either or. So guys, this is the acetate sheet. You get it in A4 size, and you also get a very big roll of it from Amazon, or you can also pick it up from any bakery supply store or any stationery store. Now what you have to do is you have to first measure the acetate sheet by sticking it to the cake and see where you have to cut it. With very light hands you have to do this so you don't spoil the acetate sheet or the cake. Make a marking with either edible pen or with your hands. So he's marked it with the hand. Now he's going to cut it off. Now you have to wrap it around the cake after cutting the excess. With very light hands, do not press it too hard against the cake. If you press it too hard while pulling the cake, the client will not be able to pull it well, and you don't want that. Now once this is done, you take sellotape and stick the sellotape vertically so it's not seen very clumsily on the packaging. Now you can see the division over here. He's going to place the sellotape right in the center of the division. Now the front side is this, and you can place your sticker or any decoration that you want to stick on the cake. Maybe you can put your branding here, and yeah, that's how the packaging is done. So this is 225 grams of chocolate. I'm going to melt this, and then we're going to add water to this to make water ganache. So for water ganache, we are taking 3:1 ratio. So now this is 225 grams of chocolate, and here we have 75 ml of water. Just add the water and stir it. Our water ganache is ready. We'll let it sit for a while and then we'll add it to our cake. So guys, my ganache is ready as you can see, and I'm just going to pour it in. I'm also going to add some Biscoff on top. And now is the time. Ooh. So our cake is here. It's very beautiful and delicious. The Biscoff spread I had melted, that is why वैसा spread हुआ है, and it's all marbly effect. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you all did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and I shall see you all really soon. Also don't forget to follow us on Instagram because we make a lot of different content even there, and I'll see you all really soon. Take care, stay safe, bye.